Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can send and share motion events of your Xiaomi camera. So first of all we have to open our camera, and as you can see right here we can find the events that we have on our application. If you want to check any of them, like for example I would like to check this one, so click on it, and here you can quickly tap on this button to share your video, and you will get the tab with the Facebook, WhatsApp and other application that you have on your phone. You can also send it by the messages, and if you want to save, tap right here. As you can see, it's downloading, and right now it will be visible on our phone. So when you go for the files and go for the videos, as you can see, here it is. So it's not on the application right now, it's on our phone. So if you delete the application or unpair the camera, you will find it on your phone. So that's how you can get it. And also if you want to delete any of the events, you can just tap right here and will be delayed from the application, but it will be stay on your phone. Take a look. As you can see, this video is still right here. So that's how it looks in this Xiaomi camera events. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.